Hello everyone, it's Yasha. How to enable low power mode on an iPad of 10th generation. So in order to do that, open up your control center and find battery icon. However, as we see, it's not here. It's not a problem, so follow the simple steps. Go to settings, find your control center tab here. Here you'll see the list of applications available to add to your control center. So find the application which is needed, for example, low power mode. Here, simply tap on this green button, and now it's added. So let's check it out. Open your control center by dragging from the top right corner, right? And now we've got our battery icon. So to enable your low power mode, simply tap on this icon. Now it's enabled. To disable it, tap on it one more time and it would be disabled. Easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.